Hello. You noticed that the new coupon deals have just dropped for June 22nd through July 5th? Let's just jump right in here and take a look, see if there's anything worth our money. We got that 15 amp 66 pound hex breaker hammer with maximum vibration control for $529.99, down $120. Bauer's 12-inch 1.25 horsepower disc sander, $30 off, down to $169.99. Bauer's 20-volt 18-gauge brad nailer, this is a tool only, but $79.99. Compare that to some of the other brands. You'll find out that's quite a great deal. Bauer's 7-amp 4.5-inch slide switch angle grinder. This is a corded device, 23% off. It is a very good purchase. Bauer's 10-amp 1.1/8-inch SDS type variable speed rotary hammer. This is also plug-in, $79.99. That's a full $15 off. Bauer's 10-amp 4x24-inch variable speed belt sander, 12% off, down to $69.99. This is also corded. This is a Hercules here, 4-amp 1/4-inch die grinder, $59.99. That's 14% off with the coupon. Here's Bauer's 4.5-inch diamond turbo cup wheel. I do have a video showing this in use if you'd like to check it out. 14% off, $29.99. Drillmaster's 2.4 amp trim router, $21.99. That's 26% off. Not a professional grade, but if you just need a couple of items like I did, this is a super buy at $21.99. Bauer's 4.5-inch 24 grit Type 27 metal grinding wheels. This is a 10-pack now for $9.99, 41% off. Chicago Electric high-speed rotary saw blade 6-piece set, $7.99. That's 30% off. Multi-material demolition reciprocating saw blades. This is a 3-pack now for $9.99, $3.33 a piece. Quite a deal for Hercules. Hercules finger sanding back pad for the oscillating tool, $7.99, 20% off. Here's a nice Hercules circular saw blade. It's 4.5-inch, 24 teeth, $9.99, 23% off. Hercules diamond grit hole saw kit, 3 pieces, $19.99. That's 28% off of that one. Hercules 4.5-inch bimetal hole saw, $22.99, 14% off. Hercules T25 impact rated steel 1-inch and 2-inch star bit set. It's an 8-piece set for $4.99, 28% off. That's quite a buy. Grant's 3-inch universal pads 6-pack for $6.99. Excuse me, 2-pack for $6.99. 6-inch universal pads $7.99. Here's Central Machinery's 30-inch 3-speed pedestal fan for $119.99. Get you some air blowing through that shop. That's $50 off. That's a pretty darn good deal. Check out those ratings. Good fan. Here's a Central 24-inch 2-speed high velocity. This is the floor mount. It's not mounted, it's portable. $30 off, $119.99. Here's a wall-mounted fan, $119.99, $30 off. Let's check out the hand tools. Here's a nice Doyle 4.5-inch swivel vise with anvil and pipe jaws. $50 off now, $99.99. Multi-bit precision screwdriver set. This is 34 pieces for $6.99. That's 36% off for this Pittsburgh set. Here's Quinn's 3/4-inch drive deep impact socket set. It's an 8-piece set for $59.99. That's 14% off of the $69.99 normal price with their super coupon. Here's Quinn's 3/8-inch drive SAE and metric spark plug socket set. 14 pieces. 25% off, down to $59.99, was $79.99. Here's an Icon offering, a 1/4-inch, 3/8-inch, and 1/2-inch drive professional deep eTorx socket set, 13 pieces for $29.99. Pittsburgh 6-bit impact screwdriver set with case, $5.99. That's 40% off. Here's a 36-inch ratcheting bar clamp spreader, $6.99. I used this the other day, putting one of their carts together. Very, very handy. 12% off. 60-inch aluminum F-style bar clamp, $14.99. I also have a pair of these. Very happy with them. Don't use them often, but when I need them on a big job, I have them. $14.99. That's a deal. 5-inch C-clamp, a lot of uses for that. $4.99. It's Pittsburgh, 16% off. Here's a multi-use saw set, 11 pieces from Pittsburgh, $12.99, 35% off. Here's a 3/16 inch by 3-inch slotted screwdriver, or regular flathead as we call it, $1.49, 25% off. Here's the Phillips, 25% off for $1.49. Here's your nice Fortress 26-gallon, 175 PSI ultra-quiet oil-free vertical shop air compressor for $349.99. That's $50 off with the coupon. Here's McGraw offering 21-gallon, 175 PSI, also oil-free, and it's vertical shop compressor, $239.99, $30 off. Here's the 8-gallon, 150 PSI oil-free, horizontal, so portable, shop air compressor, $20 off for $139.99. Here's a nice Pierce professional coil siding nailer, $209.99. That's $20 off. 100-foot manual steel air hose reel, $19.99, 20% off. Here's a nice U.S. General 27-inch by 22-inch rolling cabinet. If you've been in the store lately, these are all out on display. They're very nice. Variety of colors here. $40 off. Yukon's workbench, same deal. If you've been in the store, you've probably seen it and like, wonder could I use that? Well, here's your chance to knock $10 off of it if you want to give it a shot. Magnetic hook sets for $2.99. This is a 4-pack. Here's Storehouse's 30-bin wall mount parts rack. I actually have a couple of these. I use them for various small parts. Very handy. Hanging tool cabinet for $89.99 by U.S. General. It just comes in the one color, but $10 off, $89.99. Here's a 12,000-pound Badland winch with the synthetic rope and a wireless remote, $529.99. That's $70 off. Here's a 5,000-pound for the UTV Power Sport automatic load holding brake, $20 off for $159.99. Here's an Icon branded R134 AC manifold gauge set for $159.99. That's a full $40 off with the coupon. Pittsburgh's 2,000-pound low-profile transmission jack, $279.99. That's $100 off. Quite a value. Here's a nice 20-ton hydraulic bottle jack, $39.99. I continue to say this Harbor Freight really does great with their bottle jacks. This thing will help you level your house. It will pick up many portions of your house so that you can get new floor joists in. Here's a 10-ton portable hydraulic equipment kit. This is made by Pittsburgh. It's $70 off now for $189.99. Here's a Viking 1700 peak amp portable car battery jump starter and power pack for $159. That's $30 off. Here's Daytona's 2-ton professional racing series aluminum floor jack. It's got the rapid pump, $40 off to $189.99. Hallmaster's 1,467-pound capacity, 2-inch by 20-foot E-track ratcheting tie downs, 33% off. These are a great deal at $7.99. Just get you a track, mount it to your floor, you're golden. Here's Kenway's 12-volt submersible LED trailer lights, a 2-pack for $29.99. Hallmaster has their 1.5-ton lever manual chain hoist for $109.99, $20 off. How about a can of compressed air? Blow off your keyboard, $4.99. Ratcheting cargo bar. This helps you out in your trailers or in the bed of your truck to secure things, keep them from sliding around, especially those pails we use for toolboxes. 33% off. Here's your nice farm jack, 60-inch, Badland, $79.99, $30 off the normal $109.99 price. 5/8-inch trailer ball mount lock with 2 keys, 34% off by Hallmaster, now $8.49 with the coupon. Hallmaster 1/4 by 4 foot trailer safety chain, 22% off for $6.99. Be a good time to upgrade if you're needing that. 5/8-inch rotating locking hitch pin with 2 keys, $7.99, also Hallmaster, 42% off. Here's your pail of scrubbing towels, 72 count, 27% off, down to $12.99, and it looks like it got a full 5-star rating. That's a great deal on those. Here's Maddox's manual bead breaker for $59.99, 33% off. Here's Maddox's trim panel scraper set. It's 12 pieces, 25% off to $14.99. Maddox has their rear axle bearing puller set, 3 pieces for $19.99, down from $29.99. That's a full 33% off. Here's your whole gallon of slime. That is a bargain at $26.49. If you buy the smaller cans, you'll know that that is a super deal. Here's looks like the same one, but I'm going to assume it's a different one. R134 YFAC manifold gauge set, $169.99, $30 off. Sorry, I'm not an AC guy, so I don't know one from another. Here's Predator's 25 foot by 10 gauge 4-prong twist lock generator extension cord. If you've seen the price of metal lately, you'll know that this is a deal at $49.49. 100 foot 16 gauge indoor outdoor extension cord for $24.99. That's 16% off. Here's Atlas's 80 volt brushless cordless auger with 6-inch dual flute auger bit. So it's coming with the bit. $40 off to $249.99. Here's your 4-gallon backpack chemical sprayer, Niagara brand, 16% off, down to $39.99. A nice Drummond 12 volt transfer pump, 290 gallons per hour, 20% off now for $47.99. Here's Drummond's 1 horsepower portable sprinkler pump. It's 1,075 gallons per hour, $20 off, down to $119.99. Here's a good looking condensate pump, 16% off, down to $49.99 by Drummond, if you need one for your AC unit or for other applications. Here's Central's Machinery's 6-pound rock tumbler, $49.99, that's 37% off. Here's a complete electronics repair kit, 87 piece by Quinn. It's down 25% to $29.99, that's down from $39.99. Few welding items, 500 pound capacity heavy duty large welding cabinet for $349, that's $50 off. Here's a TIG welding accessory kit. It's a new item made by Berger, B-E-R-G-E-R, Berger, 12% off. Here's Central's 3/8 to 2-inch ratcheting pipe threader set, 10 pieces, 16% off, down to $74.99 from $89.99. Here's Doyle's heavy-duty ratcheting crimper, down from $24.99 to $19.99. Professional rafter square, 12-inch, $15.29, 10% off. Torpedo levels, you should have one of these in every one of your bags, especially at $1.79. Pick you up 3 or 4. Here's the Avanti airless paint and stain sprayer for $1.99. That's $50 off. Black Widow's 0.3 by 0.5 millimeter gravity fed dual action airbrush for $59.99. It's 25% off. Here's Braun's 1400 lumens hand-free rechargeable headlamp, 20% off, down to $27.99. Another Braun item, the 750 lumen LED portable work light with rotating handle stand, $12.99. That's down 13%. These are some great values, and they're all good until July 5th. and they're available right now at your Harbor Freight store. I hope this update comes in handy for you. And if you don't mind, give me a like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. I have several do-it-yourself videos. Check them out at your leisure. Until that next video, y'all take care.